Titingin lang.
Excited na ako, kakasal tayo. Dito tayo mamaya. Love you. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Now may I begin by welcoming you all here today to this lovely setting of the wedding of JB and Julia. Well, today marks the new beginning in their lives together as husband and wife.
Yan. Alam kong hindi ko madalas nasasabi sa iyo, pero maraming salamat. Dahil sa iyo natutukan tumayo sa sarili ko mga paa at lumaban sa amin ng buhay.
JB, I did not expect that we would end up getting married. Thank you for accepting me completely and also for accepting Jayden. I've seen all your efforts to get close to my child and everything you do for us. I proudly tell everyone that even though our relationship is not perfect, you're the person who will do anything to provide what Jayden and I need. You're always there to spoil us, not just with my child, but also with the respect and love you show to my mother and my siblings.
Pag-congrats na nga kanyang dalawang
Hayaan mo akong makabawi sa pamarang alam ko. Pangako hindi ko kayo pababayaan ni Jayden. At pinatuguhin ko kayo sa abot ng aking mga karuhan.
Always remember that we are partners in both hard times and good times. When we struggle, we just make jokes, hold hands, and say we can do this.
Nakita ko siya sa sa isang milk tea shop kasi parang meron kaming friends of friends. Tapos nakasama ko siya sa isang table. Hanggang sa nagka-add na kami sa Facebook. Doon na nag-start yung love story namin. Tapos sobrang ganda eh. Nabighani na ako agad.
I can't remember when you weren't there. When I didn't care.
Mga madaling araw may nag-add sa akin. Hindi ko kilala kung sino nga. Tinatandaan ko kung sino. Tapos syempre, ayun. Syempre, in-accept ko. Pogi lang.
Can't imagine anything we've made.
Pero ilang days lang eh. Nag-meet agad kami. Yun lang. Tapos nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Through the years, you never let me down.
Halos lahat eh. Pero pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga, sinamahan niya ako sa hirap at ginawa. Dahil po kasi ako sa medyo marangyang buhay, pero nung nawala po yung nanay ko, doon po naghirap po kami. Kaya makita ko po na mahal talaga niya. Hindi niya ako iniwan nung wala.
I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years.
Thank you. Yet, maraming salamat sa gift mo.
I can't
Love you.
remember
Wow, dami kong game ah. Today I give you this photo of your mother as a symbol. Kayak naman to.
listened to before. I swear
Yan.
you've taught me everything I
Parang ayaw niya
know.
magregalo.
Can't
sabi.
imagine needing someone so, but through the years it
Ay,
seemed
thank you, B. Kasi ito, di ko expected. Kasi ang mahal nga. Thank you so much.
years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we
Alam ko, sobrang dami pa nating problema at pagsubok na harap.
been so glad.
Pero pangako lahat ng pangarap natin sabay natin tutuparin.
Through the years, it's
God
better
won't give us anything we can't handle.
you've
The
kissed
challenges we
my
face
fears
are to
away.
help us grow strong.
As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you. Through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years,
I promise to always be by your side and to be a good wife. I love you deeply, and I will never regret that you are my husband, because I know that Jaden and I are safe with you. I love you.
through the
Gagawin ko ang lahat para manatili kang masaya sa piling. Pangako, palagi lang ako sa'yo. Mahal na mahal.